Hi! I'm Jess, and I decided to redo my balcony after moving into this apartment and thought that maybe it'd be helpful for some other people to see the process and ideas I had and whatnot. Hope you like the video! I am so excited. I just got back from the Goodwill up by UFC and I found this, which I'm gonna try to put a light in, I think, for $3. And then this, which I'll put like a tea light in for $2.50. I also picked up a coffee table off Kijiji for $50 and it's quite beautiful. I'll need to repaint it, but you know, that's okay. So I went to a few different thrift stores today and I picked up this candle holder from Goodwill for $4 and this cute tea light holder for $3.99 from Value Village. Super cute. I also got this tea light holder, also from Value Village and also $3.99. And then the last thing that I picked up was this basket thing. Got this from Goodwill for $3. Super cheap. I think I'm going to use it to put tea lights in for some storage, but we'll see. So I went to the thrift store again yesterday and found two of these candle holders for $1 each, and they match the one that I already have, so I'll just put some tea lights in them. And then I found this cage type candle holder for $3.50, so yeah, some good finds. So all of that was filmed back in March and it's now July. I've been putting off getting pallets for my pallet couch for that many months and I'm gonna go try to get them today or maybe this weekend. Let's see how that goes. Brady was actually nice enough to bring some pallets home from work. So I measured and he cut. So I finally put everything together. The deck is done, or balcony, whatever. So here's the before, just to refresh your memory of how terrible it was. And here is the after. Altogether, the decor cost about $90. Most of the stuff's from thrift shops. The pillows are from Rona and Lowe's, I believe. The tiles are from IKEA, and they were $200 in total. The white shelf I actually found in the garbage room in my apartment building. I put the 2 shelves in, and it's great for storage. The metal chair is from my parents, so that didn't cost anything. The glass table is also for my parents, so it also didn't cost anything. Obviously, the pallets were free. The couch cushions, on the other hand, I wanted really nice ones, so I got them at Canadian Tire, and they're $100 each, so that's $200 total. The coffee table I got off Kijiji for $50. The metal bench I also got off Kijiji, and it actually came with those black and white cushions and was also $50. The black table in the corner, I found that in the garbage room. Lighting in total cost $60. and the string lights I got off Amazon. I will link below. So in total, the entire makeover cost $650, which is expensive, but I think it's worth it. I will be able to enjoy this balcony for a long time. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful and gave you some ideas for you if you ever want to redo your balcony. Bye!